Hello everyone, now I'm standing next to our newest innovation, our 2060 CNC right-left. This is the newest addition to our right-left machines, which this machine can bend up to 70 millimeters outside diameter with the right and left configuration. As you can see, this machine is an absolute powerhouse, can be chosen in lengths up to 6,000 millimeter loading length and as short as 3,000 millimeter loading length. Can, like I said, bend right and left bending on the same parts, can be equipped with a boost, so it can do 1D bending, push bending, all these different options with this kind of machine. So this is a very flexible and very versatile machine for your tube production. And of course, this machine as well is equipped with mandrel bending features, as all of our machines are. You can stack up multiple tools, up to 3-4 stacks of tools on this machine on both heads. This will help you to minimize tool change and to maximize the efficiency of the machine. And as well, we have here the regripping feature, so it means we can regrip over the tube. This extends your usable length, but also helps you if there's a lot of tube material sticking out of the machine to help to avoid any distortions. Up to 70 millimeters in outside diameter for round tube, or also 50 by 50 square tubing can be bent on this machine. For more information about this new innovation from us, please click the link below and then you will go to our website and you can see not only this machine, but many more.